Here's what you need to know about what is an IDS. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. An Intrusion Detection System, IDS, is a security device or software that monitors network traffic or system activity for suspicious patterns and known attack signatures. When it detects a potential threat, it generates an alert, but it does not block the traffic. An IDS is a passive, monitoring-only device. Key concept: passive detection only. An IDS monitors and alerts. It never blocks traffic. It sits out of band, meaning traffic does not flow through it. Instead, it receives a copy of traffic via a network tap or span port. If an attack is detected, an alert is sent to administrators. Key concept: signature versus anomaly detection. Signature-based IDS compares traffic against a database of known attack patterns. Fast and accurate for known threats, but blind to zero-day attacks. Anomaly-based IDS establishes a baseline of normal behavior and flags deviations. Catches unknown threats, but produces more false positives. Key concept: NIDS versus HIDS. A network IDS, NIDS, monitors traffic across the entire network, placed at key network points like the perimeter. A host IDS, ChIDs, runs on an individual device and monitors local activity like file changes, log access, and system calls. Both complement each other. Key concept: IDS versus IPS. An IDS detects and alerts, passive. An IPS, Intrusion Prevention System, detects and blocks, active. An IPS sits in line, meaning all traffic flows through it so it can drop malicious packets in real time. IDS equals sign watch and warn. IPS equals sign watch and act. Let's look at the full breakdown. IDS, mode, passive, out of band. Action, alert only, does not block. Placement, span port, network tap. Risk, false positives cause alert fatigue. IPS, mode, active, inline. Action, detects and blocks traffic. Placement, inline between segments. Risk, false positives can block legit traffic. Here's a real-world example. A company deploys a NIDS on a span port of their core switch. The IDS receives a copy of all traffic. When an attacker begins a port scan, the IDS recognizes the pattern, generates an alert, and emails the security team. The attack traffic still reaches its destination. The IDS cannot stop it. The security team must manually respond. An IPS in that same position would have blocked the scan automatically. Quick recap before you go. 1. An IDS monitors network traffic and generates alerts. It never blocks traffic. 2. IDS is passive and out of band. Traffic does not flow through it. 3. Signature-based detects known attacks. Anomaly-based detects unusual behavior. 4. NIDS monitors the network. HIDS monitors individual hosts. 5. IDS alerts only. IPS actively blocks malicious traffic in real time. That's what is an IDS? Covered. Exam tip: IDS equals sign passive, out of band, alerts only. IPS equals sign active, inline, blocks traffic. This is one of the most tested comparisons on Network Plus. If a question says the device is connected to a span port, it is an IDS. If it sits between two network segments in line, it is an IPS. Next up, what is an IPS? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.